Well, for a third straight year, campus marchers could claim the title as USA Today's best public square. From the tree lighting to ice skating and the beach, of course, in the summer, there is so much going on. It is a go-to spot year-round. Now, you can help campus marchers come out on top again by voting online. You can do it once a day, every day, until the polls close on April 7th. You can find a link on our website, WXYZ.com. And Marissa, yesterday was a gorgeous day. I wish the beach were set up out there. How's today going to be is the big question.
Today is still going to be a pretty good day. We do have a dry cold front coming through, so our temperatures aren't going to be as warm, but we're still talking 50s out there and some nice weather. Yeah,
we're just being spoiled because, of course, 50s is still above average for this time of year. It's just not the 60s we had yesterday.
Yeah, we saw mid 60s. I mean, we all saw anywhere from 63 to 66 degrees yesterday afternoon. Today we are near 60 in a few spots, but a lot of us are going to fall just shy of that in the upper 50s. Live look here over Southfield right now, where we do have beautiful blue skies across the region. Now, as we take a look across the area, most of us again in the upper 50s at this moment. Only the city of Detroit at 60. But we also have some colder air. You can see Lapeer, Port Sanilac, Port Huron, all in the upper 40s, and those 40s are moving in our direction. There is a dry cold front just off to our north. And if you're wondering what a dry cold front is, it's a cold front. So that means once the front comes through, we're going to see a change in our winds and also a change in our temperatures, but we aren't going to see any precipitation along it. So we're not expecting any rain or any snow as we continue through this afternoon. So this is the front right here, kind of stretching through Saginaw right now. There are some rain showers associated with it off to our east that'll stay off to our east. But once this front moves through, expect a pickup in our winds. Winds will come out of the northwest, and we'll have a couple gusts near about 25 miles per hour. And then also our temperatures are going to be dropping behind this front, continuing all the way into tonight. So we are going to get back to some cooler temperatures. However, still going to be relatively warm compared to what's average for this time of year. So instead of seeing our high temperature today closer to about 4 and 5 o'clock like we would normally do and what we saw yesterday, we're actually pretty much at our highs right now, maybe tacking on 1 more degree as we get closer to 1 o'clock, but then eventually our temperatures slide. By this evening, we're looking at even 30s across the board, and even a few spots by tomorrow morning. We'll be heading for the 20s as you step out the door. So yes, a bit on the chilly side, but nothing that's, I guess, unusual for this time of year. Now, once the front comes through, high pressure is going to build back on in. That's going to bring us some dry weather still for almost the entire rest of the week. Friday gets a little bit iffy. It's just all based on timing here, as we do have a warm front that'll eventually lift through. It does look like for the most part the showers will hold off until Friday night, with a chance maybe even for a few thunderstorms. But really the bulk of the moisture doesn't arrive until we get into Saturday. That's when we'll have more widespread rain across the region, and even more lingering as you get into your Sunday. So there is a big system coming our way, but really doesn't get here until we get into next weekend. Between now and then, still plenty of sunshine and just adding in a couple more clouds across the region. Let's talk about temperatures. Again, today's highs will be close to 60 degrees. Quite a few of us stopping shy and in the upper 50s. Tomorrow we'll start off in the 20s to near 30 degrees, climbing only into the upper 40s, but we rebound mid 50s by Thursday, 60s on Friday, and we'll even flirt with 70 degrees with the rain showers pushing in on Saturday.
Gotten one.